The world's largest coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef, has lost over 30% of its coral cover in just the past decade. Located off the coast of Australia, the Great Barrier Reef is not only the largest coral reef system, but also one of the most biologically diverse ecosystems on the planet. Spanning more than 300 kilometers, it's home to an estimated 500 species of fish, 600 species of coral, and many other creatures. But despite its incredible beauty and importance, the Great Barrier Reef is facing a grave threat. Rising ocean temperatures, pollution, and overfishing have taken a devastating toll on the reef, with many experts warning of its potential collapse. But that's not the strangest part. The Great Barrier Reef has actually been through this before. Scientists have discovered that the reef has experienced at least 6 mass bleaching events in the past 20,000 years, with the most recent one occurring just a few years ago. Imagine a coral reef that's been bleached white. It's like a ghostly landscape, devoid of the vibrant colors and life that once thrived there. The first mass bleaching event occurred around 5,000 years ago, when the reef was still relatively young. It's believed that this event was triggered by a combination of factors, including changes in ocean circulation and increased levels of greenhouse gases. The reef took centuries to recover from this initial event, but it was able to bounce back because of its incredible resilience. However, the most recent bleaching event has left the reef on shaky ground, with many experts warning that it may not be able to recover this time. One of the main reasons for this is the sheer scale of the damage. The reef has lost over 30% of its coral cover in just the past decade. This is equivalent to the area of a small country, and it's a staggering loss for an ecosystem that's already struggling to survive. But there's hope. Scientists are working tirelessly to develop new technologies and strategies that can help the reef recover. From coral nurseries to reef restoration projects, there are many ways that individuals can get involved and make a difference. And it's not just about saving the reef, it's also about preserving the many benefits that it provides to humans. The Great Barrier Reef generates billions of dollars in tourism revenue each year and provides a source of food and income for thousands of people. So what can we do to help the Great Barrier Reef recover? First and foremost, we need to reduce our carbon footprint and address the root cause of the problem: climate change. We can do this by transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing our consumption of single-use plastics, and supporting organizations that are working to protect the reef. Another key strategy is to support reef restoration projects. These efforts aim to repair damaged coral and restore the reef's natural balance. Imagine a future where the Great Barrier Reef is once again thriving. It's a prospect that's both exhilarating and achievable. But we need to act now. The reef is not going to recover on its own, and it needs our help to survive. So let's join forces and work towards a future where the Great Barrier Reef is healthy, thriving, and protected for generations to come. And remember, every small action counts, from reducing your plastic usage to supporting organizations that protect the reef. By working together, we can make a real difference and ensure that the Great Barrier Reef continues to inspire and amaze us for centuries to come. The Great Barrier Reef is a symbol of the incredible beauty and diversity of life on Earth. Let's do everything in our power to protect it. So, what do you think is the most important thing we can do to help the Great Barrier Reef recover? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the natural world and how we can protect it. Want more videos like this? Check out our playlist on coral reefs and marine conservation. And if you're interested in learning more about the Great Barrier Reef, be sure to check out our resources section for links to further reading and information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos about the natural world and how we can protect it. Like and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this important topic. And don't forget to follow us on social media for the latest updates and behind-the-scenes peeks into our video production process. Thanks for watching. If you found this video fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.